Hey, what's going on guys, this is Vicky here again, and in this video I'm gonna show you a program called Forsage, and I'm gonna show you how you can get started with this program and how you can promote it to make commission for yourself. So okay guys, we are on my computer dashboard and let's go to the Forsage dashboard. So as you can see, this is Forsage account, and I recently joined this program guys, and I haven't promoted it that much. So here you can see I made about $230, and most of these commission were from the spillover that I got from here X4. So basically guys, there are two category here that you can join. One is X3 and the second is X4. Okay, I recently joined this program when this new funnel came in that I'm just gonna show you. So Forsage is a crowdfunding smart contract where we make ethereum as commission. Okay, so whenever you promote this Forsage and when someone joins and when you make sale, you make a commission in ethereum. Okay, so once you join this program, you don't start promoting this program directly using its affiliate link. Okay, what you do is you use an done for you funnel. Okay, and let me show you the funnel that I use. So guys, the done for you funnel that I use with the Forsage is this. So this is the funnel that I'm using, and a lot of people have been using with Forsage. It's called Liberty, and I have put the link in the description. So once you will click this link, you're gonna land on this page. So as you can see here, it says new member, create account, and this funnel is completely free. So what you need to do is you're gonna enter your email here and you're gonna create a password, and then you're gonna click yes, let me in. And once you will click yes, let me in, you will land on the dashboard of this funnel. Okay, so let me show you what this funnel actually have. So as you can see guys, here income stream number 1. So here is the Forsage. As you can see, Forsage crowdfunding a smart contract. So this is the income stream number 1, the Forsage that we are promoting here in this video. So here you're gonna click yes, show me the video, and you're gonna click get started now. Once you will click this button, you will see the tutorial on how to sign up Forsage as well. Okay, so as you can see here guys, here you need to put your Forsage affiliate link, right? So what you actually need is you will go to the Forsage. Okay, and you will slide and you will scroll down at here, and as you can see, it says affiliate link. So you need to copy last few digits of this link. Okay, you need to copy this link, as you can see after I. So you will copy this few words from here. Okay, and then you're gonna put in this box. Oops, let me delete the extra part. So you will put these few words here in this box, and then you will click save and update. Once you will click save and update, your Forsage account, okay, this Forsage account will get connected with your done for you funnel. So guys, now you have connected Forsage with your done for you funnel. So now you can make ethereum as commission. So what you need to do is you need to drive traffic to your funnel so that you can make sale and people join the Forsage under you and you make commission. So for that you need to send traffic. So let me show you what traffic I'm using right now. So guys, there are 3 traffic sources that you can use to send traffic to your funnel. Okay, the number 1 is solo ads. So about the solo ads, this funnel here, if you scroll down at the bottom, you can see this income stream number 4, which is a solo ad buying website where you can buy solo traffic. So if I click here, get started today, I will land here. So this is the 4th income stream, and which is also an solo buying website. So you can buy the solo traffic here. Okay, and once you will buy this package, what will happen, you will get traffic to your affiliate link to this funnel. This traffic will interact with income stream number 1, which is Forsage, and you will make commission in ethereum. So guys, other than solo ads, I also use Facebook paid ads. So I'm gonna test some Facebook paid ads with this Forsage. And other than Facebook paid ads, you can also use Facebook organic traffic. That is your Facebook profile. So you can also promote this done for you funnel on your Facebook profile, and you can get traffic to your funnel and you can make commission on Forsage. So guys, these are all three methods which you can use to drive traffic to your done for you funnel. Okay, and when you will send traffic to your done for you funnel here, you will make commission on Forsage. Okay, and you will earn ethereum in Forsage. So guys, if you are interested in Forsage, if you want to make commission in ethereum, I have put the link in the description. You can join from there. And this was a quick video on Forsage and on this done for you funnel on how you can get started. If you are really interested, go ahead, create your account and see you inside.